Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm doing a review on the Vettsy glitter polygel kit, and this kit comes with a bunch of different things to help you do like a polygel set of nails. And in today's video I wanted to do the lazy girl method, and as you can see there's quite a lot of polygels in here. So the first thing I'm going to open up is the instructions. You get a bunch of different instructions on how to apply and also how to prep on the back. Then you also get a thank you card with a little discount code for a next purchase, and you can also leave a 5-star review and they will send you a free like manicure kit, which is really nice. So you can definitely do that if you feel that this is a 5-star review. And then the kit also comes with these like beginner friendly nail tip / French manicure stickers, which you can basically use to do a French tip. And I used to use these a lot when I was a beginner, but now I just don't use these anymore. You could also use this for doing a bunch of other different designs. It doesn't have to be for French tip, which is really nice, and I'm happy they do include that in here. You then get some floral decals, and I did request these glow-in-the-dark stickers as well, which they've kindly thrown in there. And I was really excited to see that they put in the flame stickers, because I'm really late to this, but I have not used flame stickers before. So yeah, I was just really happy to see that they had these in here, and I'm definitely using those in this video. And as you can see, I've already used the star ones as well, actually, over on my TikTok. If you want to follow me there, I will have that down in the description box below. And here are all the polygels. I'm just going to quickly sort these out so they look neat, but you do get a bunch of different glitter ones, and that's pretty much it. You don't get a clear or a white or a nude or anything like that. It's just a pure glitter polygel kit. And some of these glitters I already have from like a previous polygel kit that I was sent by them. If you want to check out that video, I did do a review on it. And these are all the shades next to each other. You get a bunch of like fine and glitter and iridescent polygels in here, which is really nice. You get a good assortment. Yeah, definitely. I found that with some of these glitters I could create like a Christmas look or a Halloween look or a really summery look. So I was really happy to see that they do have definitely a good variety. So it also of course will come with a polygel brush and a double-ended, you know, with the spatula thing on the other side. So this is like a deep berry red kind of shade with iridescent glitter. Then we have this really nice holographic black glitter, which I was instantly drawn to and decided to use it for this video. Another one I used in this video is Naughty Girl, and this one is like a pink, a really girly kind of glitter with some chunky iridescent pieces in there in like a clear base, which was super fun for me. I really liked this one. And I like the blue like reflexes in there as well. That was really cute. This one I find that is a must-have. It's Firefly. It's like a good staple glitter. It pretty much goes over absolutely any shade you put it on. And yeah, it's just basically a clear base with a super fine pink glitter, and it's really subtle, but I really like how this looks. You get another iridescent glitter. This one is I'm not sure actually, because it's a couple, but I believe this one's like a goldish bluish one, if I'm right. Yeah, this one's like a goldish bluish one with like some random spots of orange. This one was a little bit weird for me, but it was pretty regardless. This one I found that it was quite Christmassy, and I definitely thought of like a good Christmas look as soon as I saw the shade. It's like a nice bright corally red almost, with like this really fine red glitter in it. It's really subtle, but it's like something I would definitely wear for like a Christmas nail. So I'll definitely be using that hopefully around December time. And this is another iridescent. This one reminded me a lot of like autumn / winter, because I don't know, I just had this like this goldish bluish kind of thing running through it. And the cut on this glitter was different. It was like almost rectangular. It was kind of different. It wasn't just like a circle or anything. So I thought that was nice that they do also include like a bunch of different like cuts of glitter. And then we have a gold. Again, I thought this would just go so well with the red polygel for Christmas. And then this is another iridescent. I believe this is the silver. I think this is just the silver. Really nice, really bright. I have used this in a previous video in like another polygel kit that I did from them, and it is super nice. This is a dark purple, I think it's the dark purple, yeah. And this gave me like Halloween vibes. I would definitely like to use this for Halloween and do like a dark nail set with this, maybe with the black and a bit of like an iridescent glitter. I think that would look really cute. And then we have unicorn. This is kind of similar to Naughty Girl, but it's a bit more sparse, and the cut of glitter isn't it's like a different cut of glitter, but yeah, it's a bit more clear, I guess. The other one definitely has a lot more going on. This one's a bit more simple. Then we have a really like bright purple. This one's really in your face. It's called Valentine. I really like the name of this one, and it's basically a lighter purple. I believe it's lighter. It's more like a cool toned purple, and it's got more of like the chunky holographic pieces in there. And then last but not least, there's this rose gold one, and this is similar to the purple one I just showed you, but it's just basically rose gold. And I also want to say that these are also really like super easy to squeeze out the tube, so I could kind of tell that they were going to be easy to work with. And I was instantly drawn to the black, the Naughty Girl shade. I think one of the purples at the end really caught my eye as well. I'm not too sure which one I'm gonna go for yet, but yeah, I definitely thought I was gonna do like a dark look with some of that iridescent glitter, and also throwing in a white and the pink from their previous kit, just so that it's not just all glitter. So here I'm just showing you that I'm starting off with the black, and I'm using the base coat brush to just move the bulk of the product around where I want it. So I'm using the brush to just push that black polygel where I need it, and then I'm using the actual polygel brush to just basically disperse some of those glitter pieces out and create a really nice fade. So with the fade, I just like to pull on the edge ever so slightly, going up into the empty space, and that should create some type of a fade. And don't forget your sides. It can be really easy to miss those when you're focusing on the middle part of the nail, so just make sure you're carrying that all the way up to the side as well. And then I'm just going in with that pink nude shade as well, so I'm just applying my base coat, and I'm making sure to drag that down as well. As you can see, I'm trying to fill in the sides because I hate it when I go to put it on my nail and then realize there's like no product on the side. So don't forget that. And then just put a little bit of pressure and then start dragging that down. You could also do this full set using only the brush of the base coat, but I felt like there were times when I needed that little extra pressure to just move those bigger pieces of glitter around, because I find that with glitter polygels, they are harder to move around compared to just like a solid colored polygel. So once I'm happy with that, I just take that off, I check it, and then I go to place it on my nails. You would apply base coat to prep your nails and do whatever dry or wet prep you would like to, and then, you know, go on with your base coat and then apply the extension on top. This is what it looks like. I thought this was cute, and this is what the underneath looks like. As you can see, I haven't added too much product, but just enough. So for this next one, I wanted to try a French tip kind of nail. Now for this, I had to use my brush just because I didn't want to drag the product too far up the nail, and I also wanted to create a nice deep smile line, and I felt like the shape of the Polygel brush had just enough like roundness to it for me to create that, because I wanted to create kind of like a deep smile line. As you can see, I'm using the tip of the brush and the shape of it to just basically create my shape for me, and I found that this was just really easy using this brush. You could always, you know, I don't know, you could always just do the nail bed part first and then do the white, but I don't know, I just felt like I wanted to try it this way, and I was a lot happier with my smile line this way, so I think I'm definitely going to use this way of doing it first, kind of like a reverse. And then it also makes it super easy for me to clean up my sides as well, so that's why I decided to go with that method. And then to fill in the nail bed area, I'm using the beautiful kind of bluish goldish iridescent glitter, and this one was a little tricky to move around just because there are bigger chunks of glitter in here, so you do just want to put a little bit extra pressure, but I was able to do it just with the base coat brush itself, and that's pretty much it. Super easy. I believe I cured the white part as well before adding this, just in case I moved anything, and it was fine because the, you know, the nail bed part was just still wet, so it worked just fine. And it looks like I'm just, you know, perfecting some of that with the brush. Apply that onto the nail, and as you can see, that just looked really nice. I was really happy with this nail for my first attempt. I thought that the like how deep the smile line was just really nice for me. So for this nail, I'm doing kind of like a little mashup of some glitters. I added Naughty Girl and the black glitter. I swear I had put in like more glitters, but apparently not, but okay. So I'm just kind of, you know, messing with those a bit, just kind of swirling them into each other just a little bit. I wish I had done this more, just because you can kind of see where I've laid everything down exactly. So yeah, I guess just move it around a little bit more, and once I'm happy with that, just place it on your nail. Super easy. Don't push down too much, just place it on there and kind of press down just a little bit to eliminate those air bubbles, and you're good to go. So for this nail, I'm repeating what I did with the thumb. It's just gonna be the black glitter ombre, and I was able to do this pretty much with just the base coat brush. I think I might go in with a polygel brush in just a sec, but yeah, as you can see, it makes it really easy to use this base coat brush, and because you are working gel with gel, you don't have to worry about any product getting on your brush, and if you do, just keep like a paper towel nearby and you can just wipe your brush if that does happen. But personally, I just find that it's just easier, cleaner and quicker to just go with the base coat brush. You know, it's right there, you need it anyways to prep your nails, so why not? And there you go, place it on there, and I am curing each one of these for 60 seconds, and I am also curing underneath as well, so I'm turning my hand over in my lamp. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Finishing off that last pinky finger with another French. I bought this one slightly higher than I should have, but you know what, it still worked and nobody's gonna be able to tell. So yeah, just going in with that iridescent shade, making that nice and leveled with the white. I did cure the white as well, popping that on, giving that a slight push, there you go, and then curing that for 60 seconds. That's it, it's simple. Now I'm moving on to the stickers. So these are going to be the flame ones. I've never used flame stickers before. I know I'm really late to the game, but now that I have them, I will use them. So another reason why I wanted to use the black was because I just thought that these white flame stickers would pop really well against it, and they did, so I was really happy I used these. I also thought it would be cool to use this on the white finger because these are glow in the dark. I did have some glow in the dark footage of these, but unfortunately I lost it. Yeah, I lost that, and I feel like you couldn't really see it too well anyway in the dark. On the camera, like I could see it really well, using my own eyes, but on camera it just wasn't really showing through anyway, so I doubt you guys would have been able to see anything. But trust me, they do work, they are glow in the dark, and I do really like how they look. Just yeah, I don't know why they didn't show up on camera, I'm sorry guys. So now I'm just finishing off with the Vettsy top coat. I'm doing a nice layer, and this is my favorite part. Oh, I also wanted to mention I did buff the surface of the nail before adding the stickers, just to make sure they don't lift. You know when like sometimes decals will lift and it will just be really annoying. Yeah, I just wanted to avoid that, so I buffed the layer, the surface of the nail, and added top coat, cure that for 60 seconds, and then I added some oh, what's it called? I added some, you could use clear builder gel, but I believe I used some clear polygel, I believe, or you could use like some thick builder gel as well. And I like to use that to put on my rhinestones. So for this pinky finger, I'm doing a, what is that, a cuticle, not cuticle, a smile line. I'm doing like a smile line with the crystals. And then here I'm doing the cuticle beads, and I found this really cute black stone that I've just, you know, I saw it and I thought it would be perfect for this look. It's just like this black stone with a little shift of gold and purple in there. I don't know, I just felt like it worked so well with this, and I'm kind of adding that to some of the fingers and then going around with some of those AB crystals. As you can see, I feel like it just tied the whole thing together. Adding some cuticle oil and massaging that in well. Don't forget to massage that. And that's pretty much it for this video. Look how stunning these look. I really love all the glitters in here. They just feel and look like they are such good quality. I'll let you guys know how these nails were out. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of this nail look, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.